Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with a Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Good to be back with you guys. Got a heart healthy recipe coming at you today. And, go ahead and zoop my corn in the microwave for about a minute here, that's all. Alright. Good to be back with you guys. Oh, and the web store is up and running, so you're able to check it out. We only have one item on there, but you know. All right, so we got about 11 ounces of albacore tuna there. Got some fresh cilantro here we're going to chop up. And when you're doing your cilantro, guys, go ahead and take the stems out. All right, as much as you can anyway. Oh, yeah. Here's the corn popping over there. But, and you know, you just want to chop it up. You don't want to smash it up, so to speak. Alright. About a half a cup there. And, you know, you can add as much as you'd like. It's your taste, right? Alright. We're going to use the juice of the lime here. Grab my corn. And my spoon here. Alright, so we got the tuna there. Got the corn here. Want to cook it just a little bit, you know. About a minute in the microwave is good. About 1 cup of corn. Alright, this is going to be our salsa. Going to throw in the cilantro. We're going to do the juice of 1 lime, which is about a tablespoon. You can add more if you'd like. Alright, we're going to do about a tablespoon of jalapeno. Deveined, you know, seeded. All discarded. We're going to chop this up fine. A little bit of heat in there. Gotta have heat, guys. Even though Gunchy, he don't like a lot of heat. But he's learning. Went to our little Edinburgh store where we get all our meat for our videos and stuff, and got some scorpion pepper cheese. I love that stuff. There's the jalapeno, and I'm gonna go ahead and put in just a little bit of red pepper. Finely chopped. Remember, keep your fingers in, guys. Get that off the back of the knife. Lose half our pepper there, you know? Alright. This is heart healthy, folks. You're gonna like this. Some finely chopped red onion. Red onions, good stuff, folks. Nice to have you guys with us again, though. Figured do something a little healthy. A couple healthy ones, you know? And I didn't have a medium tomato, so we're going to use a large one. But we're only going to use part of it. Beefsteak tomatoes, not bad. Quite juicy. Good for tomato sandwiches. Been really busy. Been trying to get like at least 2 videos a week for you guys, but missed one this week. You guys know I'm not very computer savvy, so it took me like 2 weeks to get my web store up and running. Crazy. We'll be adding some more items on there. A couple more window clings, you know, make some cooking utensils, things like that. Shirts, hats, coffee cups. It's getting there, guys. Alright, that's enough tomato there. Alright. So we have our salsa. Gonna give it a good mix. Let all these flavors sort of come together. Oh yeah. Smell that cilantro. Good stuff, guys.
It smells like Axe body spray.
Axe body spray? No.
Not Axe, but...
That's Gunchy over there. He's a funny guy. Alright. Alright, then we're gonna...
And it smells more of like Old Spice.
This should smell like salsa, buddy.
It smells like salsa, yes. But...
Alright, so we got our tuna here. Gonna throw in about a tablespoon of lime. And about a 1/4 cup of celery. Do some more fine chopping there. You don't want big chunks in it, guys, okay? Oh, we almost lost him, man. We got it back though. Alright. There's our celery. Okay. Now, we're not using a lot of salt, guys. Just a little bit. Not just a pinch. Pepper. Got it. About, because we got the jalapeno in there, I'm going to use about a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. put chili flakes in there too. Habanero powder. You know, whatever floats your boat. You always can alter these, guys. And we're going to use about a half a teaspoon of garlic. Excuse me, bud. I gotta get a spoon. I know a lot of people don't like mayo. Don't like real mayo, but since we're being heart healthy on this, we're using Greek yogurt, plain. Stir it up here because it's a brand new container. Remember, guys, we also use this in our 2-ingredient pizza dough. For all you had seen that one, that's some good stuff. Alright, so we're going to put about a third of a cup in there. You know I like making music with my pots and pans. Haha. And you know, no more metal utensils in my nice stainless steel bowls. That's never a good combination. Mix this up real good. Yeah, a lot of people don't like mayo. So substitute yogurt. And it's a little more heart healthy. It's what we're aiming for with this one, guys. Alright, so we got our tuna all mixed up. Alright, and we're going to put our salsa in here, guys. We're gonna get her all mixed up. And we're gonna let it sit for a few minutes after we get it all mixed. That way all those flavors can come together. All right. And I'm gonna wash off my cutting board here. And we'll be right back with you guys in a few minutes, all right? Alright guys, welcome back. Alright, now we got all this sitting here, all these flavors getting together. And you guessed it. We are stuffing avocados with these. Avocado delights, folks. These are good. And they're heart healthy. I already peeled my avocados for you guys, you know. Whoops. All right. That one's not cooperating very well. But, you know, we'll get it to stand up. See, that's where mayo works real well to hold everything together. But the whole reason you do the salsa in with your tuna is to help it stick.
To make it taste better.
All right. But there you go, nice, heart healthy recipe, guys. And you know what? I'm just going to dab it with a little bit of Romano. Not much. All right, that'll do about 4 large avocados, guys. But there you have it. Thanks for being with us. Another episode of Cooking with the Reaper. Avocado Delights. And we will see you next time. And don't forget to check the web store, guys. Ciao.